Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to post multiple pictures on our Instagram stories. For that, you'll need to open your Instagram app and then make sure you have logged in any account on the Instagram. So after that, you can see at the bottom middle of the screen a plus icon. Just tap into it. Here on the bottom of the screen, you can see the story option. Just tap into it. Once you tap into it, you can see the create option. Just tap into it and you'll be guided to this page. Here you can select the multiple colors you like to. You can see on the bottom right of the screen. Then you can choose colors you'd like to, and on the top middle of the screen you can see the sticker icon. Just tap into it and scroll down until and unless you don't see a plus sticker option. Just tap into it and then you can choose multiple pictures you would like to from here. You can drag the picture where you want to insert it, and you can also tap into it and change the shape of this picture. In the same way, you can add multiple pictures on your Instagram stories. So once you are done with the selecting the pictures you would like to post in the Instagram stories, you can just tap in the bottom arrow icon, tap into the sphere icon on the bottom of the screen. You can see it, and you'll be guided to this page where you need to tap on the done option. Here on the bottom of the screen you can see, and after that your multiple picture on the Instagram has already been posted. So this was it guys. If you like this video, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more tutorial videos. Thank you.